Good morning, everybody, and welcome once again to ongoing series titled Achieving Financial Growth in 2024. Today, we're going to be venturing into the investment opportunities that are available to us in reaching that goal of achieving financial independence. As previously stated, financial independence is like a three-legged stool resting on insurance, savings, and investment. I'll say that again. Financial independence is like a three-legged stool that is resting on insurance, savings, and investment. Investment generally should be an area of interest to most of our people because we do not invest enough to create generational wealth for our future generation. This is why the next few videos I will do are very important to me. Today, we are starting off with a discussion on investment opportunity with the first leg of the three stools on which financial independence rests, and that is insurance. So our topic today will be focused on insurance. I will start by saying that there is no better way to protect your assets and loved ones against unforeseen circumstances than insurance. It could be health, it could be life, it could be home, car, college, whatever it is. Insurance reduces the financial risk and gives support when the unexpected event happens. The need for insurance cannot be overemphasized for the following reasons. 1. Unexpected illness may cost a fortune without health insurance. Losses due to natural disaster, an accident, or burglary may be expensive to replace. Again, the big one, loss of loved ones, is more painful and complicated by bills without life insurance. Therefore, insurance is highly recommended because mayhem, all these things I've listed, they're everywhere around us. There are few types of insurance as enumerated above, but I will focus here on the term and life insurance. I recall as an owner of Allstate Agency how I reached out to our people to embrace life insurance. I do believe, as I've stated above, that insurance is a key option in protecting assets and loved ones in the event of unforeseen circumstances. It is never a wise decision for anyone to depend on people's benevolence to fund the burial of or provide for their loved ones when they are gone. One of the reasons given by many people for not getting life insurance is that they are covered by their work insurance. But they forgot that most people will not be working when they pass away, and that the work coverage ceases when you stop working. At that point, you are already too old to get an affordable life insurance coverage. So many end up without insurance coverage after retiring from their job. With this background, I will now discuss in more details on life insurance policies. And those are the term and the whole life. That's what I'm going to focus today, the term and the whole life. Term life is the name, as the name implies, is an insurance policy that covers you for a specific time. Say it could be for a period of 5, 10, 15, 20 years or whatever it may be. At the expiration of that date, that is the important thing, at the expiration of the term of that coverage, the policy lapses, whether or not claims are made. However, the trend now for term life insured who are willing to pay a little bit more premium is to get the term life insurance policy with a return of premium rider in it. The return of premium rider allows the insured who had lived the term life to that is to get back all or some of the money they have paid as premium. Again, I'll say that again. The return of premium rider allows the insured who had lived his or her policy to get all or some of the premium he or she had paid during the tenure of the policy. The term life is cheaper than the whole life policies, and it's recommended for young people who are just starting life. This is so because they could use the term life policy to cover payments of mortgage, school fees, and other major expenses that a family might face, a young family at least might face, even the older ones, when the breadwinner passed unexpectedly. For example, a young person could get term life policy of between $500 to $1 million coverage for a very low premium, which will not be available for an older person. Unlike the term life policy, the whole life is a bit more expensive, but stays with you until death. So the whole life is not termed, it stays with you till death. So that it is not like the term that has a specific period of time that it will stand with you. It also has the advantage of accumulating cash reserve for the policyholder after a few years. So you could take out some loan or withdraw some of that cash reserve if you have an emergency. Because the premium increases with age, we advise people should look at getting whole life policy latest in the middle ages before they hit the age where premium becomes too expensive for them. For example, a person in his or her 60s will be paying a premium of over $250 monthly for a whole life policy of about $50,000. Whereas a person in his 20s or 30s can get up to 10 times that policy coverage for less than the premium amount. For less than that same premium amount, a younger person could get a coverage 10 times what the elderly person couldn't get. So to conclude on insurance, I would like to compare the term life insurance to renting a house, while the whole life insurance is like taking a mortgage. The renter is expected to pack out of the rented property at the expiration of the rent, just as the term policy expires or lapses at the expiration of its term. On the other hand, the person on mortgage enjoys ownership and property appreciation, just as the whole life policy stays with the owner until death, as long as premiums are paid. Therefore, cover yourself. And this is the action part. You need to cover yourself and your loved ones with insurance coverages, even in life, to protect them from the unforeseen circumstances, knowing that mayhem is everywhere. And that's it for today. I expect your feedback, questions, and comments. Next week, we'll be discussing another leg of the financial independence three-legged stool. Until then, you have a wonderful week ahead. Thank you and God bless.